In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your artwork to grayscale, whether you want the whole canvas, a single layer, or just a preview. Grayscale is perfect when you want to focus on tone and contrast without the distraction of color. It's also helpful for preparing print-friendly versions of your work. Let's start with the most direct method, converting existing artwork. Head to the top menu and choose Edit, then Convert to Grayscale. If your intention is to change the entire canvas, make sure no specific layer is selected before you run the command. When nothing is selected, the editor will apply the conversion globally, transforming all visible content into shades of gray. If you notice only part of your image changed, that usually means a particular layer was active. Clear that selection and try the command again. If you only want to convert one element, you can target a single layer. Click to select that layer in your Layers panel first, then go back to Edit and choose Convert to Grayscale. This is great for composites where you want, for example, a grayscale background with a color subject or vice versa. Converting just one layer keeps the rest of your project unchanged, giving you more creative control over the final look. Now, if you're starting a new project and you know you'll be working in black and white from the beginning, set your file up in the right mode from the start. Go to File, then New, and pick Grayscale as the color mode in the new document options. This ensures that every brush, shape, and imported asset is handled as a grayscale value, which keeps your file consistent and avoids accidental color slipping in later. Sometimes you may only want to check how a design reads in black and white without committing to a permanent change. That's where previewing comes in. Go to View, then Color Profile, then Preview Settings, and select Grayscale. This temporarily shows your work as grayscale on screen, but it doesn't alter your actual layers or color data. It's a quick way to evaluate contrast, legibility, and emphasis before deciding whether to fully convert. When you turn the preview off, your original colors are still there. To recap, use Edit to convert to grayscale for permanent changes, with no layer selected for the whole canvas, or with a specific layer selected for targeted conversion. Use File, New with Grayscale mode for new projects, and View, Color Profile, Preview Settings for a non-destructive preview. With these options, you can work confidently in black and white exactly the way you intend.